You spend 3 hours scrolling Reddit and YouTube looking for the perfect video idea. You find one, write a script, record it, edit it, post it, and it gets 50 views. The problem isn't your editing, it's your research. Most creators guess what the audience wants. Today, I'm showing you how to use NotebookLM to literally read the minds of your audience before you even hit record. We are going to find the exact questions people are asking right now, build a video around them, and have a script ready in 10 minutes. No more guessing. Let's start by opening NotebookLM and picking a niche. For this demo, I'll choose money psychology. Head over to YouTube, search for the term, then filter by popularity and this month's uploads to surface the videos that are already performing well. Scroll through the results, copy the links from at least 5 high-view videos, and paste them all into NotebookLM. Once you hit enter, the tool analyzes those topics and structures, then click the settings button, select custom, and copy the title generator and scriptwriter prompt from the Google Doc. If you need that exact document, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel in the description. Paste the prompt into NotebookLM, save it, and type something like, "Give me 10 ideas for my next money psychology video." Instantly, you'll get a list of viral-worthy concepts. Pick your favorite. I'll read the first 5 titles it generated. Why the richest person on your street looks completely broke. The raise that ruined you. How lifestyle creep steals your freedom. Getting rich versus staying rich. The survival mindset. The 10-minute rule, how to defeat emotional hijacks. And why talking about your money is slowly destroying it. Honestly, any of these could blow up. I'll choose the hidden danger of saying yes to opportunities. And now it's time to generate the script. Just type, write a 1,000-word script on, followed by your chosen topic number, and NotebookLM will produce a highly engaging script. Listen to a few lines. We are trained to believe that the boldest moves make the biggest fortunes. We are told to seize every opportunity, say yes to every side hustle, and hunt down every possible stream of income. But what if the most destructive behavior in your financial life is your inability to say no? What if the constant urge to take action, to chase the next big deal, is actually the very force resetting your wealth back to zero? That's exactly the kind of opening we need. Now, before we move to visuals, let me share a few pro tips that make this research phase even more powerful. When you're selecting those 5 YouTube videos, don't just grab the first ones you see. Look for videos with a high view to subscriber ratio. A small channel with a breakout hit is a stronger signal of topic demand than a big channel's average performance. Also, pay attention to the comment section of those top videos. You'll often find people asking follow-up questions or expressing confusion about certain points. And those are gold mines for your own script because they tell you exactly what your audience wants clarified. After NotebookLM gives you those 10 title ideas, take an extra minute to search each one on YouTube to see if similar videos already exist. If they do, think about how you can add a fresh angle, a personal story, or a counterintuitive take to stand out. And when you generate the script, treat it as a brilliant first draft, not a final cut. I always read through and add 1 or 2 specific examples or numbers, like a real survey statistic or a quick personal anecdote, because that layer of detail keeps viewers glued to the screen. You can also ask NotebookLM to expand any section that feels too thin by typing elaborate on the 3rd point, or add 2 more counter-arguments, which gives you even more control over the final length and depth. Now that the script is ready, let's tackle visuals and voiceover. Open DeepSeek AI, copy the visual planner prompt from the doc, paste it with your full script in the placeholder, and hit enter. DeepSeek will first generate image prompts for any characters, then below that, you'll find a scene table. A gold mine that lists scene numbers, image prompts, animation prompts, and stock footage keywords for each scene. This table is incredibly detailed. It breaks down your script into visual chunks, so you never have to guess what to show on screen. To create the visuals, you can either generate AI images manually or use those keywords to download stock footage. For example, open Flow AI, copy the first character's image prompt, paste it in, and generate. Rename the image with the character's actual name, then repeat for the second character. When you're ready to build a scene, check the table for character mentions. If the prompt names Russell, upload Russell's image as a reference. If it names Leonard, use Leonard. If both are mentioned, upload both. Then paste the prompt and generate. Once the scene image is ready, copy the corresponding animation prompt from DeepSeek, drag your generated image into the tool, paste the animation prompt, and generate to add motion that makes it perfect for video. For scenes without characters, copy the stock footage keyword from the table, open Pexels, a free resource, filter by videos and horizontal orientation, paste the keyword, and download the clips. A quick tip here. Always download 2 or 3 options per scene so you have flexibility during editing to pick the clip that best matches the mood and length of your voiceover. Also, if you find that a generated image doesn't quite fit the tone, you can tweak the prompt by adjusting words like lighting, color palette, or composition. For example, changing bright office to dimly lit study can completely shift the emotional feel of a scene. Now for the voiceover. Open Google AI Studio, pick a suitable voice. For money psychology, a calm, authoritative tone usually works best, but don't be afraid to test 2 or 3 options before committing. Copy the lines from the script one by one, paste them in, generate each audio file, and download them. I recommend generating in small chunks, about 2 to 3 sentences at a time, because that gives you more control over pacing and lets you catch any robotic inflections before you move on. If a particular sentence sounds flat, regenerate it with a slight pause added by typing a period or comma in the prompt. Sometimes that small adjustment makes a huge difference in naturalness. Also, keep a simple notepad or spreadsheet with timestamps for each voiceover clip. This will save you endless scrolling later when you're aligning visuals in your editor. With your voiceover and visuals ready, it's time to assemble everything in CapCut. Import the voiceover files first, arrange them correctly, then bring in all your visuals, matching each scene to the corresponding audio. Add simple transitions like fades or dissolves, but use them sparingly because too many slow down the pace. Generate captions with the Auto Captions feature. Choose a text template and export the final video at the highest resolution possible. Before you export, though, watch the entire timeline, once with sound and once on mute. That quick double check catches any mismatched clips or awkward gaps that could hurt retention.
We are trained to believe that the boldest moves make the biggest fortunes. We are told to seize every opportunity. But what if the most destructive behavior in your financial life is your inability to say no? What if the constant urge to take action is the very force resetting your wealth back to zero? Consider 2 men who sat side by side for 20 years in the same department, earning $73,000 a year. They carpooled, ate lunch at the same table, and watched the same football games. Yet, when retirement arrived, one walked away with $91,000, while the other held a quiet fortune of $1,400,000. The difference was not a windfall, a stroke of genius, or a lucky stock pick. The difference was an invisible habit of saying no to almost every opportunity that came their way. Russell spent his career trying to optimize his income. He negotiated every raise, worked grueling overtime.
And here's an editing trick I've learned. If a scene feels too short, you can add a subtle zoom or slow pan to the visual to stretch it without feeling repetitive. If a scene feels too long, speed up the footage slightly or cut to a close-up variation of the same image. These small adjustments keep the video dynamic and professional. And finally, let's address the question that's probably on your mind. Can this system work for any niche, not just money psychology? Absolutely. In fact, the beauty of this framework is its adaptability. Whether you're into fitness, tech reviews, personal development, cooking, or even gaming, the core principles remain the same. Find what's already working, model it intelligently, add your unique voice, and produce efficiently. The only variable is the source material you feed into NotebookLM. Instead of searching money psychology, you'd search home workout mistakes or budget smartphone tips or quick vegan meals. So, to wrap it all up, you now have a complete step-by-step pipeline, from research to script, visuals, voiceover, editing, and even post-launch strategy that can consistently produce videos longer than 8 minutes without filler or boredom. The key is to treat each stage not as a chore, but as an opportunity to add value. Research thoughtfully, script with specificity, generate visuals with intent, voice with emotion, edit with precision, and engage with your community genuinely. I've seen creators triple their average view duration just by applying these principles, and I'm confident you can too. All I ask in return is that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if there's a specific niche you'd like me to tackle next using this exact process, drop it in the comments. I'll be sure to read them. If you want to see the same system applied to other viral, trending topics, click the video on your screen right now. I'll see you there. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Links in the description.